So this CRT contains one connector pin, right? This one is connector pin. Then this one metallic base. Then a heater. Then this is cathode ray holder, which contains cathode ray. Then this control grid. Then is accelerator anode. These two, and this one is in between these two is focusing anode. See here, focusing anode, right? Focusing anode. Then two deflectors, vertical and horizontal, these two deflectors, and then here all these phosphor dots, round type of in shape phosphor dots, all these, right, phosphor dots, and this is outside monitor. This is outside monitor, which forms the images, which shows us images outside monitor, right? So this is, here it is a wire through which this connector pin is connected. This is wire and this is CPU, right? This is CPU and this is wire. So now what's happened? Whenever we supply current to the CPU, and this CPU is connected through connector pin, so current goes to connector pin, and then that current start hitting this metallic plate. This metallic plate gets heated, and with this metallic plate heat, this heater will also gets heated, and then it gives the heat to cathode tube, which hold cathode rays, right? When this holder gets heated, then the ray become ionized and start moving inside the panel, right? Inside this complete panel CRT, it starts moving with great force, right? Now there are control grid here. This one is control grid. So what is the task of control grid? It controls the amount of the cathode ray. If the amount of cathode ray is less, then it will increases. If its amount is large, then it decreases it. So that whatever amount it require, it controls, right? It makes the balance. That is control grid. Now also it move cathode ray forward. Negative charge cathode ray electrons, it moves it forward also, further move it forward also. Then there are acceleration anode, positively charged acceleration anode, as it is positively charged, acceleration anode as positively charged, and this one is electron is negatively charged, then it attracts it, and then its movement become fast. When its movement become fast, electron movement if become fast, then there are possibility that it start dispersing also inside the panel. It starts dispersing also, right? It starts moving to all the direction, right? So for the reason there is one focusing anode also. See, there is one focusing anode also, which focus the ray again and make it move in a straight line. Then one more acceleration node, which again gives it intensity to move further. The main motto is that to make it hit on the phosphor dots. right? So that when it hit the phosphor dots, it start glowing, and when it starts glowing, then it will glow the RGB pixels also. And when RGB pixels glows, then it forms the images. So from here, from acceleration node, it gives it intensity to move forward to reach over this monitor phosphor dots, to hit the phosphor dots. So here it is deflectors, horizontal and vertical deflectors. Two deflectors are there which make it, which give it position to allocate, where to hit, which portion to hit. These two deflectors give them position. See, electron beams are going here, then here, right? So according to the movement of the deflectors, and then these rays hit the phosphor dots with some intensity, higher intensity or low intensity. That decides the that decides the brightness of, the contrast of the images. That decides the color of the pixels also. Ki if red, if we need to glow red, then what amount the red will be there in a pixel, right? So then here these rays, after positioning through deflectors, it hit the phosphor dots, then it starts glowing, then with the glow of phosphor dots, pixels start glowing also and start forming image. This is how it works, right? CRT, right? So go through it whatever I told you in the previous lesson. Also there is a video of CRT, how it works, and today also you have seen that how it works. So go through what I told you about. There is a connector pin which is connected through wire to the CPU, when and then there is one metallic base connected with the pin. When we supply current to the CPU, current goes to connector pin, and then with that current it starts heating. That, with the heat of metallic base, there is a heater. This heater gets heated, then there are one cathode tube which holds cathode ray. It also becomes heat, right? As it is attached with the heater, it also gets heated, and then start releasing the electron, negatively charged electron, after ionizing. Then that electron moves through control grid. This control grid decides that its control grid decides the intensity of the electron gun. If intensity will be low, then it will increase the intensity. If intensity will be higher, then it will decrease the intensity. And why it is doing that? Because the all purpose of doing this is to make it reach over there, phosphor dots on the monitor. Then it starts moving with the intensity forward, and it start dispersing also, right? Because of this acceleration anode, there are acceleration anode. So with this acceleration anode which is positively charged, this acceleration anode gives intensity to the electron gun, through which it starts moving forward with great intensity. Then there are one focusing anode. It may be possible that with that intensity, when it start traveling, then it start dispersing all the way, right? So to make it focus in a one straight line, this focusing anode again make it in a straight path to move forward towards the monitor. And then is one more acceleration node which again accelerate the speed of, so that it may reach the monitor. There are deflectors which locate its position, and then this electron gun hit the phosphor dots. These electron guns hit the positively charged phosphor dot. These all phosphor dots are positively charged, then hits positively charged phosphor dots, and then it make it glow with different intensity. and with that intensity only decides the amount of the color of red, green and blue, and which also start forming the images on the monitor outside, which we can be able to see, right? So this is what its function is. That's it, right? So your here in the notes everything is given here. Function of CRT में what CRT contains a connector pin, metallic base, heater, cathode ray tube. These all are components of, right? Acceleration anode, focusing anode, deflectors, phosphodots. These all are these all are component of CRT, right? And then it is given that how it functions line by line. It is given step by step. Even electricity supplied to the CRT by connector pin, then metallic base gets heated. A heater is attached to this metallic base. When metallic base gets heated, then heater to one cathode tube which contains cathode attached to this heater, which also gets heated in this process and it becomes ionized. Cathode tube starts emitting electrons after getting heated. There is a possibility at that point of time that electron beam's intensity will be high or low. This is controlled by control grid. Control grid controls the intensity of the electron and pass it on forward. Move it on forward, not pass it on, sorry. Move it on forward, make it move. The better word will be move. There is acceleration anode which accelerates the speed of the electron, movement of the electron, and help to move it with balanced intensity forward towards the screen, which was the main motto of. During acceleration process, there might be possibility for electron beams to disperse inside the tube. Focusing a node assists them or force them to move in a straight direction towards the screen. Then there are horizontal and vertical deflectors which deflect the electron beams, gives directions to the electron beams horizontally and vertically through which they strike on the screen on the specific position, which is coated with positively charged phosphor dots, and then screen starts glowing with red, green and blue color, right? So this is all given, very clearly given. So go through the lesson also and go through the textual contents also, right? So today I'm leaving you over here only because you're in your exams only. CRT is only coming anyway. So all the very best. Keep doing your revision and all the very best. Thank you.